In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Close CRM. If you're managing your business leads or opportunities through Close CRM, knowing how to effectively export your data can be incredibly beneficial for analysis, reporting, or integration with other systems. Let's dive into this process to ensure you can swiftly and efficiently handle your data exports. First, you'll want to start by navigating to either the Leads or Opportunities page within your Close CRM account. These tabs are conveniently located and serve as your main starting point for managing and exporting your data. If you find yourself needing a more refined selection of data, you can apply filters to zero in on exactly what you need. This step is optional, but incredibly useful if your goal is to focus on a specific subset of data. To filter your data, look for the filter icon, usually represented by a funnel or similar symbol. Clicking it allows you to create a smart view by setting the criteria that match your specific needs. Whether that's by date, tags, or any other detail, tailoring these filters can significantly streamline the data you decide to export. With your list ready, the next step is to select the records you wish to export. You can do this by ticking the checkboxes next to each record on the page. If your intention is to export all the records available on the current page, Close CRM also provides the handy Select All option for efficiency. Once you've selected your records, it's time to initiate the export. This is done by clicking on the Export button, which you'll find situated at the top of your list. It's hard to miss and acts as your gateway to transferring data out of Close CRM. After clicking Export, you will need to choose your preferred export format. You have two main options here: CSV and JSON formats. Selecting CSV is advisable if you're planning to conduct basic data analysis or if you'll be working with spreadsheet applications like Excel or Google Sheets. CSV files are straightforward and very user-friendly for traditional spreadsheet manipulation. On the other hand, if you require a more in-depth analysis or if you'll be integrating this data with other systems, choosing JSON might be the better option. JSON exports are quite comprehensive, including all activities associated with leads or opportunities. This means every email, call, SMS, note, and custom activity will be part of your export, offering a complete view of interactions. Finally, once your export is ready, a download link will be provided to you. Simply click on this link and your file will be downloaded directly to your computer. You now have your data neatly packaged and ready for whatever purpose you intended, be it analysis, reporting, or further integration. And there you have it, your comprehensive guide to exporting data from Close CRM. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you're now confident in navigating your data exports efficiently.